What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great day or start of the weekend, kind of depending on where you live on the world. But in this video, we'll talk about ARBITRUM and the ARB coin, which I haven't covered a lot, but in my defense, it also has not moved that much. You could argue that we've just been in some sort of a consolidation between 1.26, 1.28, and then at the bottom around 1.1, 1.15. Quite a big area, I know, but still. But we actually got some nice bullish momentum today, and it's been a while, and it was requested by some of you. I mean, I covered ARBITRUM daily for like over a month after it launched. So in this video, just wanted to give you my thoughts on that. We'll take a look at the network statistics. We'll take a look at all of the different scenarios that can happen based on the technicals, but also keeping the fundamentals in mind. So hopefully after this video, you'll be optimally prepared for everything that can happen. Before we get into the analysis and the video though, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now onto ARBITRUM. So I always like to take a look at network statistics. I think it's great. It's one of the reasons why, for example, I could predict that SUI would be bullish or bearish, for example. If you take a look at ARBITRUM right now, you can see that we are pretty stable. We hit an all-time high of total value locked on the 6th of May. Ever since, we've just been stable around 2.32 billion, which compared to other chains, if we are comparing them, is actually quite high. It's still the number 4 chain, and we got a lot of protocols there. Overall, the total value locked is doing great. So the network is doing fine, and I actually think it's a little bit undervalued at a 1.6 billion valuation. But all right, let's see what that means for the price. So like I said, I think we've kind of been consolidating. But in the middle of that consolidation, what you can clearly see and analyze is that we also started some bullish momentum. You can see that we've kind of, if you take a look at this, we've kind of been making a higher lows ever since that crash, the 8th of May, or not crash, but that bottom. So that's continuing right now with a bullish breakout above this level right here around 1.2. Has the 200 EMA, has the 236 FIB. Now it's a sign of consolidation that we are not reacting to those FIBs and to those EMAs that much. All right, so that's, in this case, that's bearish, because if we are consolidating, that would just mean that from here, you know, we might find some support at this level. Oh, excuse me. You know, we might find some support at this level right here at 1.2, but then we would just go through it afterwards. So in my eyes, the one thing that would need to happen in order for us to be bullish, because that is essentially what we want, is we're going to drop down to that level around 1.2. We're going to find support. Now from that support though, what we would need to do is get up to at least 1.3. In the end, we need to break above 1.3 in order to actually get some sort of a rally up to 1.38 and 1.4. But getting to 1.3 actually, in my eyes, already ensures that we are at least bullish and that we have that chance. So as long as Bitcoin, for example, then stays relatively bullish, or at least stays strong, which right now definitely is not the case, as long as that's the case, we can actually get that bullish breakout. But that's the big test. Like, for example, and at this point of time, given all of the circumstances we can see in the market, I actually think this is the most likely scenario. If we drop down to 1.2 and we find some support, but we just reject off of 1.25, 1.26 again, then unfortunately, I think it's just a matter of time before we break through and drop down to these levels right here at 1.13 and 1.1 again. So that's really the main level. That's the main level I'll also look out for, because I will keep you updated now. But yeah, so that's my full analysis on ARBITRUM for now. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.